Most Spectrum TV users get this wrong when trying to activate free Disney Plus access. They think downloading the app is enough. But here's the problem. If you skip one activation step or use the wrong email address, Disney Plus may never connect to your Spectrum benefit properly. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many Spectrum TV plans include Disney Plus promotions, but the activation process still confuses a lot of people. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to activate Disney Plus for free with Spectrum TV, how to avoid duplicate subscriptions, and the fastest way to fix activation problems if Disney Plus isn't working. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is this. Not every Spectrum TV package automatically includes free Disney Plus. This is where most people fail immediately. You need to confirm your Spectrum plan actually qualifies for the Disney Plus offer. The easiest way to check is by signing into your Spectrum account online and looking under subscriptions, add-ons, or promotional benefits. If Disney Plus is included, you'll usually see an activation option or a message showing the offer is available. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users already qualify for the promotion, but never receive the activation email. That happens all the time. So even if you never saw an email from Spectrum, check your Spectrum dashboard directly before assuming you don't qualify. For example, Alex upgraded his Spectrum TV package and ignored the welcome email completely. Weeks later, he realized Disney Plus was included the whole time, but never activated. Now, once you confirm eligibility, the next step is activation. Click the Disney Plus activation link inside your Spectrum account. Then you'll either create a Disney account or sign into an existing one. And this part is extremely important. If you already have Disney Plus, always use the same email connected to your existing Disney account. But here's the problem. Many users accidentally create a second Disney Plus account during activation. For example, Jake already paid for Disney Plus using Gmail, but during Spectrum setup, he used Yahoo instead. Now he suddenly had two separate Disney accounts and two billing profiles. This happens constantly. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to fix duplicate account problems. But first let's finish the setup correctly. After signing in or creating your Disney account, Spectrum should confirm the activation was successful. At this point, open the Disney Plus app on your TV, phone, or streaming device and log in using the same email you just connected. If Disney Plus doesn't work immediately, don't panic. Sometimes account syncing takes 10 to 20 minutes after activation. And here's another quick fix many users overlook. If the app keeps showing subscription errors, completely sign out of Disney Plus, restart your TV or streaming device, and sign back in. That refresh alone fixes many activation issues. Now here's where most people get frustrated. If you already paid for Disney Plus before activating the Spectrum offer, check your Disney billing settings afterward. You want to confirm whether billing is now handled through Spectrum, or if your original payment method is still active. Otherwise, you could accidentally continue paying separately. So to summarize, first confirm your Spectrum plan includes Disney Plus, activate it through the Spectrum dashboard, use the correct Disney email, and verify billing afterward to avoid duplicate charges. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming guides and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.